In this video tutorial I will be talking about evaluate surface and how it's used to produce parametric geometries and points. And first of all, you can search evaluate surface by double clicking on the canvas and searching eval, and you can see that there are different tools called evaluate, and we have an evaluate tool which we can write expressions. I try to cover that later. Evaluate curve, you can extract a point and its tangent by evaluate curve. We talked about that in the seashell video tutorial. Evaluate lengths and evaluate surface. So what is evaluate surface is really crucial, because we have to understand the point input here. And first of all, the surface you want to evaluate is must be a single trimmed or untrimmed surface. You can just set it to a I've extruded that by a control extruding gumball and just rotating it by something like this, and just let me rotate that, and exploding and rebuilding. I have this surface. Okay, you can set that to a surface. But the most important thing about evaluate surface is what is UV coordinate, because it needs a UV coordinate to evaluate the point, the normal, and the frame. And the UV coordinate is about points. We have two kind of points. If we want to talk about points, we have first we have the Cartesian points, so it's just an x and a y and a z. And second, we have this UVW point, and it's based on the surface or curve or a solid. And what is UV is something like that. If we have a curved coordinate, something like this as a U and this as a V, we need to give the coordinate of the UV here, because this is 0, 0, and perhaps this is something like 100 and 100 if it's a rectangular base of a grid. So it's a grid based on your surface and not based on the x and y and z coordinate of the Cartesian coordinate we talked about before. So first of all, if I connect a domain 2 to your surface, if you connect it, you can see that the surface has a different, each surface has a different domain, because you can have a stretched surface or just a rectangle or a square. So here we have 0 to 104 for the U domain and 0 to 87 to V. But that's a little bit hard to control those numbers. We can simply right click on the surface and choose reparameterize to make the domain 0 to 1, and that's the tip. You just right click on surface, you'll have that on each surface input, and you can reparameterize it to have it to 0 and 1. And when you make it a standard surface or reparameterized surface, you can use a great tool called MD slider, and that's a multi-dimensional slider. It's a two-number slider combined to each other, a multi-dimensional slider, and it's already UV coordinate because it covers 0, 0 to 1 and 1, and that's exactly all of your surface. You can just connect it to the point and see that it covers all of your surface, and that's the evaluate surface tool. So you can use MD slider to control that point. You'll have the point coordinate in x, y, and z. You will have the vector, normal vector at UV, so that's a normal vector, you can use it later on. And the third thing is the frame, the plane exactly at that place. And that's a really useful tool, especially for producing normals, for extruding uh, panels, for extracting the normal, for using the frame. And I will be talking about about using evaluate surface in different tutorials and in the Grasshopper course. So what I'm going to do is to delete the MD slider and go to the vector and go to the point and choose a construct point. This is another way to make a UV point. So if I choose construct point and give it to the point, and let's just change the names. For the x coordinate we can make it a U, and the y coordinate make it to V, and we don't have a z coordinate, so I just put a sign here. Okay, so we just need U and V. It's exactly a point with two coordinates from 0 to 1. So it's 0 to 1, and you can copy paste this. Okay, let's see, you can cover all the U and all the V from bottom to top, and it's better than MD slider if you want to control the layers which you want to extract or do whatever you want with it. So you can use a construct point combining to the evaluate surface to extract exactly from where you want and from which point of the surface you want to extract the x, y, and z coordinate of that point. This is the video tutorial about evaluate surface, and thank you for watching. If you have any comments, if you have any questions about the Grasshopper commands, if you want any commands to be in the list, just feel free to comment on this video or any other video you see, and I try to record it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.